spent $5,000 at the market for almost nothing. Economic crisis. Wallet empty, paper alone. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what I got from the market. This is just absolutely crazy. By the way, this is the bag. $5,000. I'm gonna show you each and every item. Alright. I'm just gonna take out whatever they are at the top. Alright. Well, if I remember the prices, of course I'll tell you. So I have this. Some cinnamon leaves. I know some people are gonna ask me what I do with cinnamon leaf, you know, but yeah man, a good spice man. Healthy and think I'm like the lady give me extra $200 for this. Alright, so you can start check. Alright. Get a pound of carrot. 1 pound of carrot. I think a 150. Yeah, I think a 150 for the a 150 or 250 for the carrot. But check with me, alright? Now I gotta remember everything. Watch out, we get some rosemary. See it? Nice rosemary. $200 for this. Always cook with this. Alright? So we just are showing anything that we get to show you say Jamaica is in economic crisis right now. I can just imagine the persons who are earning minimum wage. I think that is 18,500 per week. So if I spend $5,000 and I got no source of protein. So we're showing this today, just go and watch, alright? So we have oranges, 6 oranges. And 6 oranges for $1,000. So now check already. So we have 1,000 already, you know. We have 150 or 250, yes, sir. I don't remember if I 150 or 250. Rosemary are 2 bills and the cinnamon are 2 bills. Alright. So we have them there, right the side of that hand there. That I can put them down on the ground in front of me. But I just have to show them, alright? We have sweet potato. A pound of sweet potato. 250 per pound for the sweet potato. See what I'm going? Pound of sweet potato. Them look nice though. Alright? Yeah. So survival in this economic crisis. And we have a pound of pumpkin. 1 pound of pumpkin. And this is $250 for this too. Alright? So now watch. Now watch it. So this is our $5,000. 5,000 Jamaican dollars. We have a dozen okra. Okra. A dozen okra that are $250. No, 2 bills. Sorry, $200 for this. I have a pound of beetroot. $200 for the beetroot. Alright, local beetroot, you know, because recently they had some, you know, imported ones, but this is local. Alright, so show you what I go on. And then this is a 1 pound of yellow yam. See this? 1 pound of yellow yam. $500. Alright? 5 bills. And I get. Alright, that's something just drop out on the beetroot actually. Drop. And then I have half pound of string bean. This is $100. $100 for half pound. Sorry, $200 for half pound, my bad. 200. Alright. So open that check with me now. So what I do? Another check again. And then I have melon. $600 for this. 3 bills a pound. 2 pound of melon this. Alright? And then let's see what else we have. So I have some nesberry. 6 nesberry this. $500 for this. Alright? So I gotta do the check, you know. I put back the thing them in the bag and do the check. Alright, so I have them in my hand. Alright, now. Alright, so me put out the stuff them Right, that's all. Then we'll put them back in the bag. Alright, so we'll put in the heavier stuff them first, of course. Alright. So this so the bag there. I have the empty bag. Alright, see? The bag empty. So $250. Alright? $250 that. Cinnamon, this are 2 bills, so that are $4.50. So we have string bean, 2 bills to this. Yeah. 2 bills to this. So that are $6.50. So we have the pumpkin. So $6.50 and $2.50 that are that are $900. Alright? 9 bills there. So and we have the oranges, 6 oranges for $1,000. So that's 1,900 and 1,950 or 1,900. Somewhere there, so very close. Alright, you know, just an informal check. So these are 2 bills. Alright, so that are 2,100. This are beetroot. 2,100 or 2,150. And then now I have a pound of carrot. 2 bills or 250. I think are 2 bills. So 200. So that are 2,300. Then we have the okra. It's a $200. So that are 2,500. Alright. Then we have the yam. Pound of yam. So that this make 3,000. Alright, $500. That make 3,000. And then we have the melon. The melon is $600 for this. So that are 3,600. And then we have the nesberry. This $500 for this. So 3,600 plus 500. So that are 4,100. Alright. And then while at the market I had 2 coconuts, 2 jelly coconut. So that are $300 for one of them. So that are 600. That's so 4,100 plus 600. That's 4,700. So left me with $300, which is a little less than $2. So I went to the market with the equivalent of about 5,000 Jamaican, which is the equivalent of about 32, somewhere about $32, between 31 and $32. And I come back home with a little less than $2. So I spent like about $30, about $30 for this. All that I just showed you. Alright? So anyway, in your part, wherever you are in the world, what could $32 get you? And if you're in Jamaica, is it like this in your area? Let me know. What do you think the prices sound like? And by the way, does this sound like an economic crisis, an economic collapse? What do you think is gonna happen? Is it really bad? But then 18,500 being the minimum wage. And this is not even a lot. Yeah, this is not even a lot. Imagine if you have a household that's filled with many persons. How is that gonna work? And like I said, these are just fruits and vegetables. Where is the protein? So imagine going to buy some protein now. Well, one day I might do that. But for now, This is what I got from 5 grand, $5,000. Tell me if this is economic crisis slash economic collapse. Drop a comment, let me know. Tell me when was the last time you went to the market, and do you like these fruits and vegetables that I got? In the meantime, like the video and please, of course, subscribe to the channel. Alright? Keep watching the videos and keep commenting and share with a friend or a family member. You know, we have many different types of videos. You know, so I feel for eat one of the nesberry them pan video. Yeah, man. Someone said that it's not good to eat and talk, but you know, this is our vibe, you know, so we have ripe nesberry. So we are showing us, you know, no green nesberry we buy. Alright? See it? So I go and I hope this sweet, you know, because right on camera, I eat it and I'm not editing. This no see it. But I spend my $5 for the half dozen. I hope they didn't add any ripening agent to this. Alright. It. Nesberry done. Matter of fact, we're gonna eat. A matter of fact, we'll consume all of the melon on camera right now. See the melon there. So when I know say I not borrow the grocery, I buy them for real and I mine. Well, the melon not that sweet, you know. $600 melon look like it's young. Anyways, got people. Keep the comments coming. And subscribe to the channel. Let me go and enjoy my melon and stay tuned for another video. Melon time.